Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and we are back doing subscription boxes. Want to see which one we're doing? I'm really excited. Main Street Mail. I can't wait to get into this. That's all coming up right now. Alright, so I am looking forward to this box more and more every month. If this is the first one of these that you're seeing, this is the only company that I'm aware of right now that you can select the option for vintage Disney merch, which is awesome. Everything that I've gotten that was vintage so far I have absolutely loved, and I think that they undervalued it. But that's just me. You may think the opposite, but you know, what do I know? So, this is the $100 box. They also offer a $60 box. And if I remember right, I think I still have a code with them that would be in the description down below. If it's not down there, I don't have one anymore, but I think I still do. But it's only if it's your first time box with them. Let's do this! Let's do this! There's more tape. Please hold. Let's do this! There's a sticker falling out. Check that out. I will put a boop. I'm not sure what that's from. I mean, it looks Haunted Mansion-ish, but I don't know for sure. If you know, comment down below. And then, I know what this is. So in every box, they include a hand drawing or painting or something, and that is clearly from one of my favorite rides. That is the Hatbox Ghost. You can see his hat box. And on the, I'll put a better boop. And on the back, it says, boop. Chris, we hope you love this Haunted Mansion themed box. Have a magical day. Main Street Mail. So the whole thing is going Haunted Mansion. I know that sticker is Haunted Mansion. That's awesome. Thank you, ladies. Alright. So, I used to not complain. Complain's a bad word. But I was always a little disappointed that I didn't get confetti from them, because they use bubble wrap and stuff that, you know, really protects everything, but, you know, I kind of like confetti. So I didn't say anything on the last video, because it didn't even dawn on me at the time that they went out and got confetti for us. So, there's confetti in here again. It's Haunted Mansion colors. This time it didn't fall short on me, so thank you very much. I enjoy my confetti. So let's get into it. Oh, this looks like it's going to be great. We really love Haunted Mansion stuff, and it's something that Mary and I can both get on board with, because she really likes Haunted Mansion too, but she also really likes purple, so it really rounds it out pretty good. Let's start with this Okay, this is a really big mug, which we really love. It is, I will put it up on the turntable so you can take a look. Boop. The maddest hatter of them all, and it's the Hatbox Ghost. And his face on the back, and it looks to me like it glows in the dark. But I can't, it's been in a box, so I don't know if it glows or not, so I'm trying to get some light on it. Oh yeah! It glows in the dark. How cool is that? I wonder if there's anything special, like I don't have to put it in, or whether or not I can put it in the dishwasher or not. I'll have to do a little research. I would imagine you can. Very nice, very big mug. Mary's gonna love that. Alright, then I think this is just packing material. They really pack these super tight so that it doesn't bounce around in there. So there's a note on this one. This ball of... It says, "So sorry for all the tape. We are afraid of its fragility." I gotta know what it is, because Let's see. I don't have to cut it open. CJ's gonna walk over here and cut it open while you just wait for a split second. Look at this thing! I am totally in love with it. It is, I believe it's 3D printed. And it is a Haunted Mansion garbage can. Look at how cool this thing is. I love it. I will put it on the turntable so you can see it in all its glory. Boop. That is so cool. Oh, I love it. Ugh. All right. Moving on. That's so cool. Oh. They really were not messing around with packaging this time. They did not want anything to get broken. Look at this. I'm so excited. Welcome, foolish mortals. It's a Dusk Plaque. It's from Disney. I will put that on the turntable. Boop. That is going on my desk at work. That's too cool. Good box. Oh, this one I already have, but I'm not even disappointed because these can go in the camper. They are the salt and pepper shakers that look like headstones. You've got Dear Sweet Leota, beloved by all in regions beyond now, but having a ball. In regions beyond now. Master Gracie laid to rest. No mourning, please, at his request. Farewell. I will pop these out of here and throw them on the spinner. Boop, boop. That's cool. I got these from a Haunted Mansion only box, I believe, that I got from Magic at Your Door. I think it was from that Haunted Mansion completely, yeah, similar to this. Very cool. So those will get used. Then we have vinyl stickers, and I will put, so it talks about the artist on the back, Jeff Granito. I will put this in the photo box so you can check it out. Boop. Says it's vinyl, so I'm assuming you can put this on a car. Nice. We put vinyl on our cars quite a bit. Alright, and then I believe finally we have a shirt. Death before standby. I completely agree with that. Fast pass all the way, single rider, but standby is a pain. I don't like it. So this is the same symbol as the maker of it as this sticker. So they must go together. That must be why I didn't recognize it. Should we give it a shot? There you go. It's my size. It fits. And I would love to wear this to Mickey's Not So Scary. That would be awesome. If I ever get to go again next year. Alright, so can't go wrong with Haunted Mansion merch. Let's take a look at the spoiler sheet. I will boop. Dusk Plaque, $12.99. The mini trash can. That thing is so cool. $29. Shirt, $25. Salt and pepper shakers, $20. Waterproof hitchhiking ghost sticker, $5. And mug, $17. That's not bad for how big that mug is. Box value, $108.97. I paid $100. I don't remember. Boy, I gotta get up on top of this stuff. I don't think I pay for shipping, or maybe it's $5. I don't remember. Either way, it's right there, and I love everything in here. Can't go wrong. Alright, if you'd like to take a look at our last video, it is right here. And if you would like to subscribe to our channel, click the button right here. I hope you're having a great day.